Hello guys, how are we? I'm Mark from Treasure Hunting Scotland. Today we're going mudlarking. We're going mudlarking at a spot where I found possible mass amounts of volcanic rock before. Of course, a lot of people might not know, but Dumbarton Castle was a volcanic plug, and it's not uncommon to find like volcanic rock and things out on the beach on here. I found volcanic rock here before, and this is only part of the beach that I've never been back to. So yeah, I thought I would give it a go today, do a little mudlark, and I'll just see what I can find, and I'll give you guys a little shout once I get my first find. So catch you then. Well, here you go, this is one of the first finds I've found. Now this stuff is volcanic rock, you can tell by the holes in it. A lot of volcanic rock on these beaches because, like I said, Dumbarton Castle was a twin plug volcanic rock. And of course it did erupt many millions of years ago, but as things would have it, you know, countries move about, so it is now an extinct volcano. Nothing to say that it will remain extinct, but yeah, right now it is extinct. And yeah, let's have a look and see how much volcanic rock we can find. Volcanic rock. Pretty smooth on one side, believe it or not, but yeah, volcanic rock. This one here does look like volcanic rock. It's stuck in there. I'll get this. Isn't it a big bit of volcanic rock? There you go, volcanic rock. Loads of this stuff about. Volcanic rock. It's beautiful, isn't it? Do you think millions and millions of years ago that came out of a volcano? Absolutely magnificent. The reason you can decipher what it is with the little holes in it. Did this in a previous video as well. Here's some big cracking bits here. Volcanic rock. That's attached itself onto something. Look at that. That is classic volcanic rock. There you go. I'm actually going to take that bit home with me because that's a belter of a piece of volcanic rock. I've just come up to this. Like you can see fragments of volcanic rock again here. I've found a clay pipe. Let's go down to the beach and watch this one. Spotted another one walking down to the beach. Yeah, just a blank clay pipe, but I did see another one. There we go, here's another. Ooh, oh, 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 oh. This one's got a picture on it. Horsey horse. There you go, lovely horse. So there should be a horseshoe here. There you go, horse and horseshoe. And that is a lovely clay pipe. Beautiful. There you go, another piece of volcanic rock. Just making a statement today. There's loads of that one here. Loads of volcanic rock. You can see it. Oh, it's just everywhere. Look at it in the rocks. Volcanic rock, volcanic rock. Not sure what that is. Volcanic rock. It's literally everywhere. Anywhere you walk on here, look, more volcanic rock, volcanic rock. This is not disregarded by somebody, this is actually volcanic rock. First signs of a bottle. Screw top neck, so it's not too old, but we'll bag it up and get rid of it. Let's have a look at the pottery. Nothing on it, could be off a plate. Yeah, let's have a little look in this area. There we go, I've just found this, look at that, fragment of a clay pipe. Who's it going to be? Magwigan. There you go. Lovely Magwigan clay pipe. Well, it would have been if it would have been whole. It's just a stem. Clean break off it. There you go. It's a lovely Magwigan. And that's a clay pipe. I mean, the magnitude of volcanic rock on this beach is just unbelievable. It's everywhere. Look at it. Absolutely everywhere. Volcanic rock. I've just found another two clay pipes. I'm beginning to wonder if there could be any fossils or anything like that down here. There was a shark found in my local town where I came from, It's called the Bear's Den Shark. So yeah, I wonder if there's any chance of fossils being down here. Probably not, but maybe worth a wee look one day, turning over rocks and splitting them and seeing if we can find any fossils. These are just two blank clay pipes, but they look like they've came from late 1900s, maybe Edwardian period. Well, I've just found another clay pipe. Let's give it a wee clean. Yep, another blank one. Yep, blank clay pipe. Another glass bottle there. It's got a bit of age to it. See if there's anything underneath it. That's an early bottle, that. There you go, there's another piece. That's volcanic rock. Very nice. Thing about it is, it's 10 a penny on this beach. I could walk about picking this stuff up for days. It's the exact same with the flint on this beach. You could walk about picking it up for days. There you go, look at that. Volcanic rock. Volcanic rock. Volcanic rock. Yeah, hundreds of it. Comes 10 a penny on this beach. Different types of it as well, so there is volcanic rock. Volcanic rock. It's just everywhere here. Volcanic rock. I've just seen this lying on the beach. Do we have ourselves another bit of pictorial pottery? Let's give it a little clean. Down at the water's edge and we'll find out. Look at that. Beautiful, man. Two parrots. I wonder what that's been. I don't know if it's been a milk jug or something like that, but either that or a tankard. Possibly a milk jug. Judging by the size of the handle, I'd probably go for a milk jug. But yeah, that is absolutely beautiful. Look at those two parrots. It's great, the design they had on pottery. Absolutely stunning. Just come across this big fragment. About 101 beasties underneath it, mind you. Look at all them. Disturbed your home, it's alright. Put it back, that's a big piece of volcanic rock. Here's another big piece of volcanic rock. I'm just walking along and I found my next find. Here we go, we've got a little screw top bottle stopper. That would have went inside the bottle. It's from a beer bottle, believe it or not. It says Vox on it, which makes it a lovely little Vox Stout screw top bottle. There you go. That's what it's off of, a Vox Stout beer bottle. It was an inward screw and they went into beer bottles. There we go. Another clay pipe just sitting in there. Look at that. Anything on it? Another bland clay pipe. There you go. Nothing much you can do about that. This area is kind of an area that I've never found a lot on, but I thought it'd be worth checking. Doesn't look like there's been too much destruction to the embankments up this side, so probably why I'm not finding too much. Well, there you go, I've picked up another clay pipe just walking along the beach. Another blank one. Loads of blank ones here. Chunkier they are, the kind of more modern they get. Yep, there you go, blank clay pipe. Another big chunk of volcanic rock. It's amazing what's on this beach. I mean, for a while I walked here and I would have walked by this stuff until I started to learn what it was. But yeah, I'm just having a wander about and close to where I normally find pipes out an embankment. So yeah, let's have a wander. Just look at all this rock, it's everywhere. Anywhere you walk, anywhere you go, there's volcanic rock. Loads of it. Comes from the twin plugs at Dumbarton Castle. The size of some of the bits here. Volcanic rock, you see the nice holes in it. Solid, just to let you know that, solid. Some more nice big bits of it. It's really bad along here. Well, I've just come across this down here. Check that little beauty out. Do you know what that is? I'll tell you what it's off of. It's off of a Victorian water bottle. There you go. The inward stopper part would be here, which would screw into the Victorian water bottle. That's come out. The reason it's come out is because it's snapped off the Victorian water bottle, so the inward bit will still be in the bottle, and that's why this has come out onto the beach, which means somewhere about here there must be either a smashed or a Victorian water bottle. Fragment of the beach you walk, there's volcanic rock everywhere. There you go, this is a brilliant bit of volcanic rock. It's really good, that bit, volcanic rock. It is everywhere. Yeah, I'm having a struggle in Mudlark today, but yeah, Cannington, Shaw and Co, St Helens, I was going to say Shield Hall there, that's the bottles that came out for another one. I don't know why I had Shield Hall in my head. It's another Glasgow coffee bottle or something like that, but yeah, Cannington, Shaw and Co, Shield Hall, so I'm doing it again, St Helens. Yeah, lovely little kind of, looks like a glass pot lid, lovely little find. Well, I don't think I've got much left in me. You can see I'm just walking over masses of volcanic rock. You'll see it all as I'm walking. It's everywhere. Hundreds of it. And yeah, that's the thing about mudlarking. Not every mudlark is successful. Sometimes you don't find a lot, sometimes you're lucky enough to find stuff. It just depends how hard and how much time and effort you put in. You see, I love coming across big bits of volcanic rock like this. It's magnificent just to show in your videos. Yeah, that's more rare specimens found on the same beach as the Flint. These beaches have been used for millions and millions of years. Bronze Age people used them, Bronze Age people were here, Neolithic people were here, Roman people were here, medieval people were here, been used for centuries, and it's no surprise there is finds on them. But yeah, mudlarking's fun, and you'll never know what's out on your beach until you go out and search. So yeah, it's be good to see more people doing it. So on that note guys, good luck, happy hunting, and I'll catch you guys in another video soon. Bye for now.